These are two books that I made that were really fun, and they partially sewn in and partially tied in. So these, the coffee dyed papers are sewn in, and then in between there are papers that are tied in. Not on this one, yeah, on this one, sorry. Just to make it kind of thicker. So that was just one way that I got more pages into both of these books. And this one, the vintage children's pages were tied in, and there's lots of little pockets sewn kind of throughout. And they both have a themes. This was made out of a book that was called The Shopping Book, and I used the pages from it in between the coffee stain paper. And then the other one is more of a botanical book that uses pages from different kinds of things, but lends itself to a more natural kind of a book. A little bit of a color theme going on. I'll start from that front, I guess. But this one has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signatures, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 signatures in between of different pages that are tied in and different pages that are sewn in. So I kind of did a mix of that. And the cover is sewn. I forgot what this is called. There's that Japanese material. And I was working with sewing paper over the cover cardboard and just the paper and the sewing, and the idea that that the material is, like, you can see the material, the cardboard. I really wanted it that way. There's a pocket here, but it is sewn, and it is just cardboard that this is sewn onto. And then it's all using the PVA and paper, book glue and all of that archival stuff. But it's really just lots of paper, coffee dyed. I love papers in different languages and different kinds of papers. But again, this was a botanical theme. I was really interested in larger pieces of paper and just kind of being able to stick stuff in. And I feel like you could take this to a park and put a lot of leaves in there and just really spend a day with it and draw pictures and all that kind of stuff. And you can add things. Some German writing, that old airmail onion skin paper. I found this really cool. I forget what that's called. Graph paper or something? Not graph paper, but I love, there's like the feeling of leaves or something like that. I just love that. 1984 on that one. Nice, maybe a watercolor paper. smells so good. Nice sticker paper there. It's 1974. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 sewn in signatures, and the 1, 2, 3 tied in signatures. And again, the cover has that sewn patterned pages. And again, the front has the pocket and the cardboard that you can see. There's a pocket there, and this is a fun one, maybe just more, this is a lot of pockets and plain papers for drawing if you have things to put in or lots of bits you can add. And there's pockets there. Pockets there. Pockets, lots of pockets and lots of paper. Lots of places to put things. Oops, sorry, go that way. Pockets. Nice big pocket. Two pockets. Lots of pockets and lots of paper to write on and draw in. This is typewriter paper, copy paper, tracing paper. And then the original card, 1984, 86.